What's up, guys? It's your boy again, Tempo, back with another video. In today's video, guys, I just want to talk about something that I have experienced over the last couple of weeks about how I've been through this journey, and one of those things that keep me saying that I should push even when there are silent seasons in my journey. But I don't care about like to do like a lot of things or to misunderstand this thing. I just want to say something that guys is really important to me because I have tried a lot of things to do about all of those things failed, and now I only stick with one thing that I really love and that I appreciate because it's hard to be like a person that tries to figure out what you need to do, but reading books and to just sit down with friends that are in the same page as you are, and that makes me become the better version of myself. And I don't want to lie, like that's the best thing that have ever happened to me, like to get myself closer and closer to God. That was the best thing that I have learned in these couple years, and now I feel like God has been the best to make me choose whatever thing that I want to choose, and also my family because they always support me in all the way. Like they tell me this is what I need to do if I feel like stuck in my journey. But yeah, man, and my friends they keep on telling me that I should do this if I feel like stuck or I feel like down to myself that I feel like when no one is around me, but they keep pushing me and saying that everything is possible if I put my mind to it. And those are the things that I have seen that they're really working because I surrounded myself with people that don't want me to fall in the inside the hole, but I surrounded myself with people that help me along the way and help me when I feel stuck, when I feel like the world is against me, or when I feel like I'm not good enough. Now, those are the things that I experienced over the last couple of weeks and over the last couple of months. And I know that I have been consistent, and it's because sometimes I feel like my journey is really hard, but I need to push more so that I can see that I can stick to this thing for the long term. Because if I say that I want to push hard, but then I fall along the way, that means I was a liar ever since to myself. Not to you guys, but not to you, but to me, and that's what I feel. And the other thing that I want to say is that I just want to see this video in 5 years to come and to look back now to see this is where I started and this is where sometimes I used to feel stuck to upload on YouTube and to do my things that I said that I do every day. And man, that's all I wanted to say. And if you guys just give me like a chance to prove myself and I can make a better version of myself, please, you know what to do. And there's a lot of things that man, as a human being, as a person, that you face along the way, all the trials and tribulation, and a lot of things with your family, with your friends, and that's all I'm trying to overcome sometimes when you see me guys not posting too much or when I'm not consistent. But the most important thing that I want to say is that I want to see this video maybe in 2020, maybe in 2030. I don't know, but yeah, in 2030, I want to see this video and look back to this video and say this is where I started, or this is where I used to feel stuck, or this is where I used to run of ideas because I need to learn along the way as I go and to be more precisely at what I do. And but the most important thing to me right now is that I need to see this video in 2030 and to look back and be proud of myself that I used to sit down in my room and film videos without thinking, without just planning and be great of that because in 2030 I'm hopefully that maybe I'll be hitting like 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel and but I can't do that, guys, without you. If I can hit that, if I can hit that 100K, and that is all, that will be all because of you for like for for following me along my journey and to see everything that I do. And as I said, it will all because of you, and I would really appreciate that because it's a long journey that I'm into, and I just want to be the person that I want to become, and trust God in every way that everything is possible if I put my mind to it and to read more Bible. And yeah, because today Sunday and I just came back from the church around 12, and now I'm at home. I took about like a little nap, about like 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken, or 30 minutes, and just after I took a nap, I woke up and took myself into cold water, and now I feel fresh, like I'm feeling like I'm a brand new person because you know when you feel like you get inside the cold water and when it's hot outside and you get yourself inside the cold water, when you get out of the water you feel like now you're a new person because the heat that was in your body, you just leave it inside the cold water. Now you feel like everything is okay. You feel like you can do more, like a push up. You can feel like you didn't do like a more sit up. For me, I thought that maybe to do this video because guys, I don't know what to say, but I just want to make sure that in 2030 I hit maybe like 100 subscribers and you guys gonna make me through that. I trust you so much that if I keep on doing the things that I do right now, and everything will be possible with you. And I promise that once I hit that 100K subscribers, I'm going to look back to this video and say we made it because it's all about being together in every storm. It's all about being together in every trial and tribulation that and and because there's a lot of errors that as a person you face, and for me, guys, like it's crazy to say, but please just make me feel proud of myself, just make me feel more valuable to you guys that you help me hit this 100K before 2030. And it's 20 this year. It's the beginning of 2026. Still the beginning is January 11th, and still the beginning of the year of 2026. So in 2030, you guys make me hit 100K subscribers in my on my YouTube channel, and yeah, guys, if we can do that, nobody can just touch us, and nobody can say whatever to us. But I guess so. Right now, I'm going to just pause this video and think about some else. Of course, now I feel like I'm being too emotional to you, but if that is okay, I think it's okay too. And